Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a lookalike audience. Now, what happens is you may run an ad campaign, a new ad campaign, and it's not delivering the way you are supposed to, the way it is supposed to deliver. You're not getting the results the way you like it. So you may want to do a lookalike of your past audience who maybe so you run a campaign that the audience was good, you were getting enough purchases, and you really like that advert, but the new one you did is not getting an audience like that. Or in some cases, it could be that your advert was doing well and it was reaching a lot of people and they were buying. So it gets to an extent where you are experiencing ad fatigue. Ad fatigue is that your audience have seen the advert over and over and over again. So you need to reach out to new audience, but you just don't want to reach out to any new audience. You want new audience that are similar to the old audience who were purchasing. So in this video, I will show you how to set up a lookalike audience. Now, if you look here, I'm running one ad campaign where let me just show you. So this campaign, for example, I've had 248 purchases in the last few days. I think it has been running for the last 2 months. So I've had 248 purchases in the last 2 months. And the new one that I did, this is a new advert I did. And for about a week, I had only 5 purchases. And this one is not really performing well like the way I wanted it to perform. So I'm going to set up the lookalike of this particular campaign. The people who are buying from this campaign, I'm sure if I am able to create a lookalike audience of those people, this second campaign is likely to do well for me. So that's what I'm going to do. So I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to exactly set up or create a lookalike audience. So this is exactly how to do it. So first of all, we have to set up the ad campaign. Or if the campaign is already set up, we just need to edit it and go to the audience. Now, in this case, my ad campaign that I was initially running is still there. So I don't want to have to set up everything anew. So I just want to go, just duplicate it and set it up again. So this is it. So I'll duplicate it and set up the new one. I've duplicated it. I have to close and reopen it. Okay, so this is the one I duplicated. So insecticide killer ads campaign, July 2023. So I'll make it insecticide killer ads campaign 2, because the first one is 1. This is the 2. Okay, so for the ad set level, for the campaign level, everything is already there. My work or whatever I'm trying to rectify is at the audience level. So you come to audience. Then when you check, you can see create new and then use saved audience. Then when you go down to, you see custom audience and you see create new. So you click on create new because we have to create a custom audience. And then from the custom audience, we will now create a lookalike of that custom audience. So it's more or less like I want to define some set of people, which is the custom audience, and create a lookalike of that custom. To the lookalike should look like the custom. So that's why we need to create a custom first. So you click on create custom audience and ask that we need to determine which is our source. The source is the place we want to where we are defining our custom audience from. So if we're looking for people who have already gone to our website, or we already have a customer list, offline activity, like text messaging and all that, offline activity will fall under here, app activity, catalog, video, lead form, and all that. So I'm using the website because the conversion location for this advert was on a website. So I will choose website and click next. Then they are asking, is it all website visitors? So you can choose all website visitors or people who visited a specific web pages, page view pages, and then all that. So we can customize, we can actually select one of them. If I want all website visitors, include people who have visited any of your website. Then people who visited specific web pages, include people who have visited specific website or web pages. Then we also have visitors by time spent. We have page view, purchase, input data, and then all that. So this one, I'm going to choose visitors by time spent. So let's check, for example, visitors by time spent. Is it? So that one, if we choose 25%, we can have 25%, 10%. This talking about the amount of time they spend relative to the others. But I will not choose this one. I want to change it and choose page view. Okay, but let me show you what that page view means. That someone at least who has landed on your website and actually view the page. There are some people who click and they don't actually wait for the page to load for them to view it. So this one, I'm optimizing for people who have at least viewed a page on the site. Okay, so retention is in the last 30 days. So I will come and so we now can create a name for this audience. So the name for this audience is custom audience 2. I have custom audience 1, so that's why I'm creating custom audience 2. Okay, so I'm going to create this one, and then I'll create a lookalike of that. So the lookalike, I need to determine exactly the size. So if I choose 1%, it means that they are just going to look exactly like the previous one. Yeah, they are going to have 1% similarity. If I choose 2%, they're going to have 2% similarity. So the higher I go, the wider the similarity will widen. So it means that if I stand at 6%, it means that they will have 6% similarity. If I go to 7%, it means they will have 7% similarity. Yeah. And I'm increasing it because I want the size to be a bit bigger. So this one, we have 3.7 million. Let me go to, so if I get to 10%, I have 3.7 million. Let me stop at around 8%. So I have 4.3 million. Okay. It's like if I get to 10%, it will be 5.3 million. So let me stop at 8%. Let's see how this 8% will work, because if we go too much, in that case, it will get to an extent where the audience are also far different from the original audience that we know. Okay, so this is how it is. Let me just see if I can add some few states. I'm going to add some few states, but it's only allow me to choose the country. So for now, yeah, I'm actually customizing for those who have already contacted us earlier, something similar to that. So I'm sure the location, in fact, the one that I said earlier, the location of the people were actually in some states of Nigeria, not all the states. So I'm hoping that this lookalike audience will resemble people in those states or will be people from those states. So we create our lookalike audience. Now we'll go to, so we can reach people beyond custom audience when it is likely to improve performance. So I'm putting this on, and this will help us to reach people beyond what we have targeted if it is likely to bring a better conversion. Yeah, so we scroll down, and then for the age, I don't want 18 and above. So I'm going to move to around 25 and above. Okay. Then we scroll down. I'm already for the audience. For the placement, everything was already okay. So just go to the ad level, and this is my video and my thumbnail, my primary text, and everything is okay. So I just need to publish it. So we just need to wait after they approve it, then we look at how the performance is going to be. And as I showed you earlier on, when I did the lookalike audience for the other audience, the performance was so good, and I'm very optimistic this one will perform something similar. And I know if you follow the procedures and you do it very well, you are going to get something like this at the end of the day. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Leave your comments in the comment section. If you also want to contact us and we'll help you set better ad campaigns that will deliver and perform very well, you can follow the links in the description. We have the WhatsApp link. We have we also have our website link. You can follow to WhatsApp us. You can also follow our website link. Any of them will help you to be able to book to be with us on Zoom. We'll look at your problem in detail and help you get a solution. You can look at the testimonies you're seeing on the screen. These are other people that we've helped them to get a solution. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.